Hello folks, Sony's next premium phone, the Xperia 1 Mark IV, is expected to rock a significantly upgraded camera system and a new Snapdragon chip, and these would lead to a price hike, per a couple of new rumors. The Xperia 1 Mark IV is tipped to offer a 48-megapixel main camera, a 48 or a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto unit and a periscope telephoto camera as well. Its predecessor, the Xperia 1 Mark III, ships with three 12-megapixel cameras and a 0.3-megapixel depth module, so there will obviously be some major changes here, and the same can be expected from the camera software. It's also being said that the handset could feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which will seemingly be manufactured using TSMC's 4nm process. That chip is expected to offer better thermals and better performance in general. It is rumored to be more expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It will apparently be packed with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. We are not sure if that will be the only model or will it go up to that level. Who knows what Sony is planning. A 6.5-inch 112Hz display was also mentioned, and the same goes for a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt charging support. A physical fingerprint scanner may be included on the side, and the same goes for a physical shutter key. We may even get an audio jack. The Xperia 1 Mark III starts at $1,300, which explains why it's nowhere close in popularity to flagship phones from Apple, Samsung and Google. Sony unfortunately seems determined to not learn anything from the past. The Xperia 1 Mark IV is rumored to cost 6 to 12% more than its predecessor. This information surfaced on Weibo. Based on it, it could end up costing $1,415 in China. Needless to say, that's quite expensive. That would make the device more expensive than the Xperia 1 Mark III. That handset costs $79 less in China, while it's priced at $1,300 in a number of other markets. The Japanese company is expected to reveal the phone in May, but it will likely be released a few months after that. It's not exactly a secret that Sony smartphones are expensive, so we're not that surprised. Sony's sales numbers will hardly improve with such price tags though. Outside of the foldable market, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is probably seen as just about the most premium and pricey phone you can get, yet the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV is likely to have it beat. Samsung's phone starts at $1,200, which somewhat ridiculously is already less than Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, let alone the Xperia 1 Mark IV. Granted, that's for 128 gigs of storage in the S22 Ultra, while Sony's phone starts at 256 gigs, as apparently does the upcoming Xperia 1 Mark IV. But even for 256 gigs, you're only paying $1,300 with a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and while that's slightly higher in some regions than the starting price of the Xperia 1 Mark III, it's lower than what the Xperia 1 Mark IV supposedly starts at. However, the Xperia 1 Mark IV will have many features that Galaxy S22 Ultra doesn't have, like micro SD card slot or headphone jack. The next Xperia may be expensive, but it looks to have everything. What do you think about Sony smartphones in general and about the upcoming Xperia? Let us know in the comment section below. Also share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and good luck!